I'm Joost from DIYPhotography.net. We're here at NAB at the Vitec Group stand, and we're calling it SmallHD, and you got loads of new monitors.
First, I want to talk to you guys about the Focus 7. So the Focus 7 we released early March. This features a 1,000 nit daylight viewable panel.
1,000 nits, that's a lot. So for viewable outside in harsh weather conditions?
Absolutely. So direct sunlight, you should have no problem viewing this monitor in direct sunlight.
That's great.
So it features a single HDMI, full-size HDMI input. It's kind of an entry-level monitor for those that are kind of in photography, moving into videography, or new into videography and are looking for a 7-inch monitor solution. The Focus 7 is a terrific product. Features 2 L-series batteries, slots that allow you basically to incorporate hot swap 2 L-series batteries.
Perfect.
It'll run about 4 hours on 2 L-series batteries, so it's a lightweight monitor and very affordable.
That's good. And so it's a HDMI in, there's no output?
No, just
no
single
SDI?
input.
Good.
Yep, single HDMI input. Really kind of centered around that entry-level monitor solution.
Cool. And if you purchase it, what's in the kit?
So in the kit, you'll get a screen protector, and then you'll get some cables, and that's about it.
Cool, perfect.
Yeah. And then the next product that I want to talk to you guys about is our 702 Touch.
All right.
So this is based off of our 702 Bright, which was our flagship monitor for 3 years.
Yeah.
And we saw it in high-end cinema, big movie productions like Black Panther utilized the 702 Bright. We came out with a version 2, which we're calling the 702 Touch. As the name implies, it's a touchscreen monitor that has a highly responsive touchscreen. So it's very similar to what your iPhone or Android device, any of your touchscreen phones utilize. It features 1,500 nits, so 500 nits more than that 702 Touch. Wow. So truly daylight viewable. Standing in the Sahara Desert, you're going to still be able to see this product.
That's amazing.
Yeah, and so this product has SDI and HDMI inputs and outputs.
Oh, wow.
So the cross conversion, looping, cross conversion has a little bit more options when it comes to signal options. The battery plate on this one includes the Sony L-series battery, so similar to the 702 Focus 7. 702 Touch has the dual L-series Sony batteries and the hot swappable, and you can replace them with the gold or V-mount options as well.
Perfect, yeah. So this is like a monitor that you'd have on film set, put it on your camera, loop it through for the director and everyone else to see.
Absolutely. And it kind of goes across a bunch of different spectrums of users. So independent content creators down to YouTubers, vloggers. This product is fantastic for it.
Yeah. No, I know that all ACs around the world are really happy with this. Loads of my friends have it, and yeah.
It's a great product, man, and we believe it's going to be our new flagship monitor for SmallHD.
I can imagine. Well, thank you so much for your time, Alan.
Absolutely. Cheers.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
This was Joost at DIYPhotography.net at the SmallHD booth at the Vitec Group, and make sure to check the description because we're giving away a loads of money worth of cinema goodies. So we'll be walking around the booth. We'll be back here as well later, and sure be seeing you again.